Yeah.
That all the infrastructure is in place. A big thanks to the GOA Football Association as well. It's an extremely proud moment to have them here and have Schubert here sitting side by side, which is very good because at the end of the day they are the main football stakeholders in the state. And as Jaime mentioned, we are extremely pleased and satisfied with all the developments that have happened on the infrastructure front. The stadium is almost good to go. We're talking about details as he explained. The training sites, we've been to the training sites and we know that they're in a good condition. Fatorda, Benolim, Bamboli and Tilak. We just now need to work on the field of play conditions. It's looking bright. It's looking nice for Goa. The readiness of infrastructure is there. We need to assess again the willingness of the state and of the football people on the state when it comes to attendance.
The stadium is in a much better state than it was when we visited 1 year ago. So I really would like to thank all the authorities for their work and their dedication. I think that really reflects the fact that football is the sport in the region of Goa and the intention of the authorities to make it really grow for the future. And there are various now areas where the government should be focusing now in Goa, which is all the operational plans with security, with transportation, with areas like that, and obviously finalizing with the more cosmetic changes that are needed in the stadium that are more on a late stage. We could see that we could state it during the AFC Under-16 Championship held here that there were very small crowds attending the tournament. So the public did not respond as we expected, and this is a big concern for us, obviously. Even having India playing in your home country, they had around 4,000 spectators in the stadium, so it was far away from having a full stadium. This is a concern that we are evaluating very carefully together with the LOC.